What's up, bitches? Just kidding, you guys. Hey, welcome back to my channel. All my returning subscribers, thank you for holding it down. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for returning and showing me love. I really, truly do appreciate it. Also, anyone that's new watching for the first time and you really liking my videos and my content, you guys already know what to do. You know, click that subscribe and notification bell button right there. I'm gonna give y'all just a second real quick to do so. You can do it right now. Come on. Click, click. Thank you. Also, I just lost my train of thought. I'm so tired. I've been comment, share, subscribe. You want to go and tell them that? Yep. Move. I'm not moving.
Oh, how can you see?
You gotta get used to the light.
Okay. Make sure add that and add that. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'm about to lose my eyesight from this room light. Okay, goodbye.
You didn't even do it right. So that's my lovely daughter. She's also about to get her hair done, some crochet box braids. I don't know if I'm gonna do a video for it. I don't know. Cause I've been doing hair all day and recording videos. This is like the second video that I'm recording because I know I don't post like I should, but like I said, I worked a crazy hectic work schedule, so my bad. So now we're just gonna, I'm doing a lot of blah 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 blah. So we're gonna get to this tutorial. Oh yeah, also follow me, my best friend's podcast, subscribe to it, it's right up there. Boom boom boom.
And also follow me on Instagram. What? What?
What's your Instagram?
Oh, forgot it.
How you forget your own Instagram?
Oh! Brace face underscore not brace face underscore Naya N-I-Y-A Jones, no spaces and no captions.
So yeah, this is the hair or whatever. And now we're gonna get to the tutorial, so stay tuned. Come on, tutorial. Hey you guys, so I'm just gonna do a quick voiceover because like I said, I was really tired and I left out a lot of important details. I'm trying to do the knotless method where you can like put it up in a ponytail and it looks natural. Let me see what's going on here. So I'm doing it like a regular crochet, but instead of me, you know, wrapping it around and putting one in, you're gonna put the whole piece of hair under the braid, as you can see me up and down. Then you're gonna grab the crochet needle again and put it through a piece of the braid. I'm about to show you right now. Look really, really close because I tried to get it there. See? And you're gonna do that with each strand and put it in the middle of the hair. So when you lift it up, it's like knotless and you can put it in a ponytail. So once I do the knotless method around the perimeter, everything else, like the back, is like the basic crochet method. Okay, so this is the part that I was talking about. To make it look natural, use the comb and you tease it all around the perimeter. And you're also supposed to cut like little pieces out, but I didn't get a chance to do that because I was too tired. Oh yeah, also those two front bangs that I'm taking out right now, I also cut it, but I just didn't show myself cutting it in this part. So this is the final look of the crochet braids. I use FREETRESS Gogo curl. This is one style you can do. I try to use this technique. I forgot her name, but I'm definitely going to leave a link. I was trying to do the invisible method so I could put up in a ponytail, but oh no. I'm feeling this little ponytail. I didn't have a ponytail like this in years. Like, so yeah, this is the one of the final looks of the crochet braids. I put it in a ponytail. You can style any way you like. You can flip it, do the hair over method or whatnot. Thank you guys again for watching my videos. You guys can follow me at XOXO_Mochaccino on Instagram. Also, you can subscribe to me and my best friend's podcast, The Pussy Chronicles, right there. It's on all streaming platforms, so I don't know what y'all guys waiting for. Our episodes are lit. They're funny as fuck. They're relatable. Pop culture. We talk about every and anything. And there's a little kitchen table-ish talk, so you know, don't cancel us if you hear it. Again, thank you guys for watching. Bye.